time that we also make the changes ourselves, the things that we were not able to do, the things we were taught not to do when we were younger, we should also be able to do differently. We should unlearn and relearn things, because sometimes you cannot go back and blame whatever has happened already, but what you can change is whatever is within your reach, and also be able to just do whatever you can to make things different. But yeah, I think it was especially about having discussions, having conversations that matter, and yeah, that's what we thought was more important. I won't get into the details because I'm trying to sum up.
Sure. Thanks. This group.
Uzotolika kodwa sikubonile ukuthi engathi communication lapha uyena omkhulu ngokuhlukahlukana kweminyaka nezizukulwane kuya kanjalo, so ungabikho ka communication ozocaca, ungabi makuthiwa ungayi endaweni yokuthi kodwa bese kungashiya ukuthi ngobani, kodwa uzoza kuyi full package ulwazi oluzokwazi ukunelisa esigabeni sakho ngaleso sikhathi, ukuze kusukela ebuncaneni uye ngokukhulakhula bekunikeza ulwazi olusufficient, futhi ke nethuba lokuthi ukwazi ukuthola indawo yokuthi uyichaze wena ukuthi uzizwa kanjani, ukuthi ubona kanjani, nokuthi ke ufuna ini. Ngiyasiyabonga.
Sure. I think let's move on without the translation. I can always get it later from this. Sure. This group?
Oh, we talked of the experience with GPV and nokhula without isandla somzali present, which is into eyandile kakhulu esikhathini samanje ebantwaneni nje ukuthi uzokhula ubaba wakho waba iSpringbok ngesikhathi sakho wabaleka. So leyo nto leyo ukuthi how can we redirect and i-affect kanjani wena growing up, ukwazi ukuthi mina ubabami akangithandanga ngendlela ukuthi wanede wezwa nje ukuthi ngizali ngimbi umama ukhulelwe wabaleka, yabo ikhulisa kanjani wena lonto noma icindezela kanjani ukuthi okay mina ukuze ngingabi le ndoda ubaba abayiyona, ngingabi weak njengobaba wami ngoba abaleka, ngingenza kanjani kwezami ingane ukuthi zinga experience le thing I experience mina, nanokuthi ke growing up around environment based with GPV kakhulu, yini wena ekwenze mhlambe kuleyo GPV ube positive ukuthi okay mina ukuze ngingadlulile kulento nale, this is how I must be as umuntu. Mina nje as for me ngine-anger towards abantu besilisa through i-experience yami ne-GPV, angibafuni Nkosi yami ngiyaxolisa, kodwa nje yabo lonto le ukuthi isi-negative ukuthi even if umuntu interacta nami ngendlela e-positive angisakwazi mina ukubona lokho ukuthi lo muntu comes with true intentions, sengivele yonke into i-reflects back into into enga-experience yabo. So how can we go about ukuthi silungise lezo ilonda lezo ezadalwa in the past?
Great, thanks. We're not going to go for translation now, but I can always pick that up later, but that was helpful.
Can I just share something?
Yeah.
It's quite interesting. I received an email, I was asked for an opinion, So, because it seems the younger generation wants their voices to be heard. They want to be involved in the decisions that parents take for them. So, which in academia we call it unsilencing student voices and student agency. Now, I'd just like to read a paragraph of the workshop that is going to be held. And you can see the link between what the university is trying to do and what we are discussing here. It says the workshop is titled Student Agency, Unsilencing the Student Voice, and seeks to explore how universities can develop and support student agency towards student success. The outcome of the workshop is to provide a better understanding of student agency. Student agency being, when there is student agency, it is when students take leadership of their own learning, when they take ownership of their own learning, when they become engaged and involved and direct their own learning and have a say in how they are taught or what happens in class. So, and how best to encourage inclusivity of students and thereby promote co-creation of a successful educational experience. So I think you can see the link between what we are talking about here. I think people just want to be heard.
Sure, that's great. Thanks, Nomfundo. Oops. From here, reporter. Quick summary.
Oh, okay. La group here to Tina. Ngingasho ukuthi sigruphe ngendlela yokuthi as the question ithi boys and girls, but sithola ukuthi khona uthola ukuthi kunowesilisa one experience efana nowesifazane. So we decided ukuthi sizoyichaza ngoko two sides. So first one sithole ukuthi thina abazali were overprotective in a way ukuthi basigada ngisho sekungamele basigade. So lokho sithola ukuthi uma sifika noma nala eThekwini noma ngabe eGoli asikwazi ukuzimela because sesijwayele ukuthi khona abantu abasenzela izinto. So leyo nto leyo yasilida to even uma singena kuma relationships uzakhe umfethu zakhe ake wamention sifuna ukulina with lo muntu osuke usuthi uphilisana naye because awukwazi ukuzimela wena ngokwakho. End up ke kuzidestroya because awukwazi ukuthi selama decisions are right, awukwazi ukwenzani ufuna nje ukumela. Then the other one welaba abane experience yokuthi ye baba isikhatha sikho lana kumele ube strong. Akunandaba ukuthi unangaki kumele ube strong. Ingane zakini zibuka wena kuleyo age yakho encane, maybe una 20 una 19 but abantu ingane zakini sezibuka wena whereby kumele ube mdala kodwa umncane. So si discover lokho thina ukuthi and i-cause yakho si discuss ukuthi mhlambe abazali bethu babebukelela ukuthi sinento ewukufa soke siyazi ukuthi yenzeke. So as mhlambe kusasinabazali nga1 abanye bengekho wayebheka umzali ukuthi in case ngihamba kuyaphoqa uyena omdala kumele abe responsible for laba bangezansi abanakekele ngayo yonke indlela kumele abanakekela ngayo. And ama punishments esasiwathola acisha afana. Most of us besisivele emakhaya sinokulusa sinani nani. Inkomo mayingabuyanga awudli awulala endlini ukuthi uzolalaphi okwakho. Also lokho abazali bethu babecabanga ukuthi kusenza sibe strong, and then some of us we are strong. Ngakho lokho akus as much as kuyintembo ukuthi ulala udlila wazolala but akusenzanga saba weak in a way of ukuthi silimele strong nje phela simila asinankinga though yaba yimbi indlela esasikade sifundiswa ngayo.
Siyabonga.
Thanks.
This group, who's reporting back? Sure.
What we noticed is that our parents would say that there's no difference between a boy or a girl, but you find that when there are certain tasks that are made available, they would say, boys, you need to do this, or girls, you need to do this. So in a way, parents already know that they do not want certain gender roles being associated with certain people, but the language they use and what they are used to, it pushes them towards that direction. Another thing that we noticed is that sometimes when you grow up, girls are taught that, okay, you're going to be someone's wife, you need to learn to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there's not the same teachings for guys, which then means, or it normalizes guys being free or being able to do whatever they like, but girls have to act in a certain way. And we found that now that we are older, you are not now able to go back or treat your significant other or actually even the other gender in a specific way because you were told that you can do whatever you like. And yet women are limited because they were told that this is the box that you fit in. And if you do something outside that box, you're an outcast or something like that. And then we also found that for guys, if guys are doing tasks, you can grow up in a household where you're doing everything, no roles associated with you. But you find that when you go out to the society, then when you do those things, people then are saying, okay, why are you doing that? Because that's like a woman's job. Or why are you doing that? Because then we stop doing certain things because they make us to feel less manly. And yeah. And then the last point that that we started with was that what we found is that it's quite difficult to change that behavior. We said that things that you get used to as a kid, they become your habits, and even abnormal behavior becomes normal. And when someone tries to correct you, because you've been doing it for so long like this, you're not willing to change. Or even if you do try and change, it's already cemented in your mind that you need to do this or you do things in a certain way. And the solutions that we found was that we need to educate people, communicate, and where someone feels less of themselves because of certain actions, they should speak out, and through that there will be change that happens. Yeah.
Great, thanks. I've been reading some sociology for my doctorate, and it's all in there, what you told me. So, who's going to speak?
Yes, so okokuqala nje engingakusho ukuthi okokuqala nje engingakusho esikufundile through i-social interaction ukuthi we become aware of ourselves. Khona lokho kuthina okuvelayo ebesingabazi. So njengoba kade si-share la nabafowethu into e-common ebebeyishare kuqala ngabesilisa ukuthi ukuze beveze ubudoda babo ukuthi amemeli kwakumele ukuthi umuntu ahambe eyobusa. So mekalusa lapha ufika uyaqhathwa. The time eqhathwa ku-check ukuthi umuntu esizogqinile yini ngempela. So into ebiyenzeka kubona ukuthi if ngihluliwe shuthi ngi-weak, and if uwinile ngi-strong. So uthi omunye umfowethu lana benokuhlula yabo. So ikhule nayo lento lokuthi shuthi ngiyindoda e-weak, and bese afuna ukuprove i-point lokuthi I am not weak. Akaliprove ngokuthi azithole ukuthi ubani, kodwa ubefuna ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ngiface lo muntu lo olive ngifuna khona ngizothola ukuthi kahle kahle ngi-strong kangakanani. Okunye ubekuveza ukuthi yena nje ngoba ewumuntu wesilisa ukhule ekhaya la kuyena yedwa umuntu wesilisa, so and engekho ubaba egcekeni. Wonke ama-responsibilities lawo okuthiwa awomuntu akumele enze umuntu wesilisa abenziwa uyena. Lokho okwenza ukuthi ugcine seba nenzondo towards ubaba wakhe because bekuwumuntu vele okhona kodwa engekho kuyena. Kodwa uthi uyasifundisa ukuthi uyalifuna ushintsho yena, uyafuna ukuba umuntu ongcono ubaba wakhe, uyalifuna ushintsho. So into esifundile ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi ulivumele ukushintsha, wamukele futhi isimo, isikhathi siyashintsha.
Sure. That's great.
Yes, something.
Sanibona nonke.
Yeah.
I've been part of this group and I'm very happy because in this group we have somebody with some physical challenge of some time. Because usually we ignore these people, we put them in the background. They should not come to the front because they're not like us who have all the gifts of emotion. But basically what I want to say here, Uguti, I don't know how to start. A people, without a knowledge of its history, is like a tree without roots. If you don't know your history, then it's very difficult to progress. A Jewish child at the age of 8 knows something about the gas chambers and the Gestapo. Ask yourself, How much information do you have about yourself, your background? Next, what type of education are you receiving in schools and universities? Is it an education of the continuation of colonization or not? I'm not talking only about this forum, about the future of our youth. Now, you go to the sun, what do you read? That's another question. Do you go as far as what I've read at university, and you have 2 hoods and so forth? Go to last week's Sunday Times. Look for an article about Sizwe Nasane, one of the millionaires, who, a businessman, the wife is a medical doctor. They came to the conclusion that they are going to use their retirement to improve the education system. Because what you get in school now is diluted, weak education, which doesn't even give you a job. Now read that article, because these are the people who want to empower black people. Another thing, respect your language. Respect to your indigenous language.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Have you ever heard of somebody going to France to live there for 3 months, coming back without knowing how to greet in French?
No.
Respect your language. Know what literature to read. If you want to respect yourself and you are a Zulu, read a magazine, weekend newspaper, Bayete. We look down upon it because it's written in Zulu, but it tells you the history of the black man. I'll ask you at university level, are you aware that there was slavery in South Africa? What effect that slavery had on your mental health? Find out why we should have such forums. We need such forums. But to add to that, we have things like that lady who says she has been raped. Get people who have been through difficulties, and with all those, in addition to those challenges, they've been made to be successful. The success of the challenged people. Last week, we went, Tuesday this week, we went to the Playhouse. There was a show where the people with autism, people with different challenges, stage a show, the success story of the physically and mentally deprived people. Know your people, know yourself, know your history. In America, the Americans decided, no, enough of this colonial education. They started teaching their children from grade 1 the history of the black American from the time they were taken from North Africa to America. Do you know your history? Do you respect your language?